Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung range burner cap. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new burner cap. The burner cap sits on the burner head and spreads the flame so your food cooks evenly. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to lift the grate off. All you have to do is lift it up, set it aside. Once you have the grate out of the way, we have access to the burner cap. All you have to do is lift it off and pull it off the range. Here's the old burner cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new burner cap on, all you have to do is set it in place. Then you can put the grate back on. Once you have that on, you can plug the range back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.